As a credit manager, you may encounter some angry customers. Are your methods the only correct ways to respond to those comments or objections? Dealing with angry customers can be difficult, but if you handle the situation correctly, you will be able to improve your relationship and create new opportunities. A good response can turn an angry customer into a loyal one. There are many reasons why customers get frustrated or angry, some justified, some not. How you respond can make a difference. Let's take a look at how Kathleen Hernandez, National Credit Manager at E.B. Bradley Company, responded to one such customer. Customer: why haven't you given me credit? Why haven't you noticed what a good COD customer I am? Do 20 years of loyalty mean anything? Kathleen: sir, have you applied for credit? Customer: well, no. Kathleen: then let me congratulate you for being such a loyal COD customer who never gave us issues. You are one of a handful with that distinction. Your name has not crossed my desk and I'm not acquainted with you, and for that, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I will personally handle your request when you return your application. Make sure that you send it to my attention. At the end of the conversation, the customer asked her for a credit application and thanked her for her time. Read the full article to learn how Kathleen continued the conversation to calm the customer and left both parties happy at the end.